Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel RS Designs. I wanted to pop on really quick today and show you the cards I made using the Hey Handsome card kit from Close to My Heart. This kit comes with design paper, print on the front, and a tweed on the back. And it also comes with these adorable little gold blings that we're going to use on our card, as well as the stamps, the thin cuts, the cutting guide, and the cardstock that comes with it is harbor, rosemary, pine, paprika, mink, white daisy, and black. So I'm going to follow along with the cutting directions for this kit to make 16 cards, 4 of each design. And those of you that know me, you know that I do not really enjoy following directions. I would rather just kind of take a look at something and then bounce off and with my own idea. But for this one, I wanted to follow along exactly and cut according to the guide. Now, the cutting guide is on my website, and I'll link that below so that you can go and print that off. I made the cuts, and then I labeled them as instructed so that when I get ready to do my assembly, it will go quick. All right, you can see here that on this first card, I used a little bit of liquid glass on the glasses to kind of make them pop and shine. And then I used the button stamp to stamp on the buttons on the front of the shirt. The next card is probably one of my favorites. And I again used the liquid glass on the glasses. And instead of cutting the buttons from the thin cuts, I used some bling from my stash to kind of make it pop. I also made a mistake cutting on this one, and I cut 2 pieces the wrong direction, but that's okay. I just made it into a landscape card and used actual buttons on this one. So I want to thank you for watching, and I'd like for you to subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon.